Hey guys, happy July 4. It is now 1:20. Is it? Yeah, 1:20. And today I am going to go swimming. Family barbecue today. Hey. I'll get back to you in just a second. Okay? 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 Unless I record it. Looks cool. I am here, guys. Gotta go swimming. It's a video. I'm recording. Hey guys, it's RJ here. I just finished swimming. It was so hot, it felt so good. But now it's getting cold. You gotta get out of the pool. But there is no fireworks today. Damn it. I wish I can take fireworks, but it's illegal here. I know. But hopefully I would videotape it if I see anything popping up, because usually some are in the sky. Like around here, it's so nice here in the sky, but I'll let you guys know later on. I hope you guys are having a good July 4, because I know I am. I hope you guys as well. Maybe. I don't know. I'm thinking about going to visit one of my good friends just to watch fireworks, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what goes on. Hey guys, so I literally just got home, changed. I took a shower and I changed. Feels so good. They're actually starting to lit fireworks outside. I don't know if you can see it, but it is, what time is it? I think it's like 8:30 or so. Dang, I'm about to miss. I'm about to head to my friend's house right now. Hopefully we're gonna watch fireworks over there, and I'll let you guys know.
Fireworks, guys, look! It's fireworks! Ah!
I'm on the road. I'm not, shouldn't be recording shit. Hella cars.
Oh, look, God, there's fireworks! Ah, there's fireworks!
I don't know if you can see it though.
Ah!
Hey God, I literally just got here.
Hey, this is RJ. Welcome to RJ Matt's YouTube channel.
There's a lot outside. Hey guys.
Hi. Hi guys, it's so dirty, right?
I don't know if you can see that, but it's so cool.
Hello. I like.
I told you.
Compared to last year, there's a lot.
Wait, how are you? I move. RJ, move!
Not bad.
Oh my God.
Hey. Say hi. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Oh, hi.
Hi, how are you?
Happy 4th of July.
Finally here.
It's my boyfriend.
Not me, him.
Good job.
We're finally here, putting up fireworks. All this smoky everywhere.
Why are you going directly down?
Look at this, look at this. So pretty. Get this. Almost got burned. That almost burnt me.
Sarah, I saw you. You ran away.
Okay. Alright, back.
Wait, look.